Hello students, in this video we will talk about assignment operator, increment decrement operator and conditional operator. So assignment operator, whenever we want to assign any value in a variable, then we will use this operator, assignment operator. So this is the symbol of assignment operator. It is not equals to in Java, it is assignment operator. Okay. So suppose I have a variable x and I want to assign, I want to store value, any value in this variable. Suppose in this case I want to store 5. So I will use assignment operator. So when we use assignment operator, whenever we want to store any value in a variable, then we will use this assignment operator. Whenever you use this assignment operator, you must remember some rules. On the left side of assignment operator, there should be a variable. On the left side there should be a variable, and on the right side there can be expression. Now in this expression can be a single value, this expression can be a variable also, and this expression can be a combination of both the things. Okay, but on the left side there should be only a variable, there must be only a variable. If I write like this, 5 is equal to x, I want to assign 5 in x, so I cannot go like this. This is incorrect, because on the left side there should be a variable only. Okay, now let us move to increment decrement operator. This is increment operator and this is decrement operator. The work of these operator is, for increment operator it is used to increase the value of variable by 1, and decrement operator is used to decrease the value of a variable by 1. Both increment or decrement will increase or decrease the value by 1, not more than 1, not lesser than 1. When we use operator before operand, so it is pre. If it is increment operator, then this is said to be pre-increment, and when the operator is after operand, then it is post-increment. Same in the case of decrement operator, this is pre-decrement and this is post-decrement. Okay. Now what is the difference between pre and post? See, in case of this pre-increment, the value of x will be immediately increased by 1. If the value of x is 5, then it will become 6. In case of post increment, here the value of x will remain same, the previous value, here it will remain same, but after this the value of x will be increased by 1. So we can say pre-increment will increase the value immediately, but post increment will increase the value in the next step. Now next is conditional operator. This is the conditional operator, expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. Expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, expression 3 semicolon. So this is the only ternary operator in Java. Increment decrement unary operator, since these require only one operand. Okay, and assignment is obviously binary operator. Okay, come to the conditional operator. In conditional operator, this expression 1 can be either true or false. Means this expression 1 gives you the result either true or false. Based on the value of expression 1, either expression 2 will be evaluated or expression 3 will be evaluated. If this is true, the value you are getting here true, then expression 2 will evaluate. If it is false, expression 3 will evaluate. Now let us take an example. Suppose here is a variable z, x greater than y question mark x colon y. Now see, what is the value of x will depend upon this expression. If this expression is true, then the value of x will be stored in z. If this expression is false, then the value of y will be stored in z. Now suppose the value of x is 5 and the value of y is 7. Then what will be the value of z? See. Now first check it is true or false. X is 5. Is 5 greater than y? Y is 7. No. So this is false. When this value is false, the value of z will be this expression. Means this expression will be evaluated and the value will be stored in z. So value of z will be 7. Okay students, so this is all about these expression. If you have any query, any doubt, write the doubt in the comment box and surely I will give you the answer of that query. Thank you. Have a nice day.